Brew recipe for the Orea V3. 12 grams of medium ground coffee. Pour 50 grams of water, starting from the center outward, in a slow counterclockwise motion. I'm using a darker medium roast, so I'm using 90 seawater. Add another 50 grams of water slowly, in a clockwise motion, from the outside inward. The Orea is a wonderfully quick brewer that produces a great tasting clean cup. Finish with a 50-gram clockwise pour, then a 50-gram hard pour in the center. The hard center pour is to prevent clogging and to maintain a quick drawdown. The whole brew only takes about 2 minutes. Enjoy!